Upgrade your gaming experience in 2025 with the WD Black SN770 TB SSD. This NVMe drive offers blazing fast Gen 4 speeds, dramatically reducing game load times and overall system responsiveness. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to seamless gameplay. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, the SN770's speed boost is noticeable from boot up to in-game fast travel. Installation is incredibly easy, even for beginners, thanks to its simple M.2 design. Find purchase links in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing SSD. Its 1 TB capacity is perfect for storing multiple AAA titles, creative applications, and other important files. Plus, its efficient controller keeps heat and noise down, making it ideal for compact PC builds. Stop waiting. Start playing. Pick up the WD Black SN770 today. Don't miss out on the current discount. Click the links below for the best deals. For a limited time, enhance your system's performance without breaking the bank.